Step 1, cleanser. Step 2, perm. This stuff stinks. Step 3, cling wrap. I forgot to read the instructions. And I wait 5 minutes. Wait, was I supposed to like brush them upwards? Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Okay, so apply the fixation lotion and then the cling wrap again for another 5 minutes. Let's do it. Ooh. Okay, now I have combed them up. I'm gonna apply the fixation lotion now. Like so. So now the cling wrap again. And wait another 3 to 5 minutes. I think I'm gonna do 5 minutes this time. I need cotton. What are you doing, puppy? What's wrong?
Man, why you got tape on your forehead? Over your eyebrow. Huh?
I'm making wild eyebrows.
Why are you putting tape over it? Is that tape?
Cling wrap.
Oh.
Don't pull on it.
You come in here with tape on your forehead. Like, what is wrong? What is happening? That wild eyebrows anyways, that weird thing what they always said with the vault. What was it again? What I didn't understand.
It's called bushy eyebrows.
No, I know bushy eyebrows.
Wild eyebrows.
No, but remember that one girl.
WildBrows.
I'm like, how the hell do you do that to your eyebrow? Like, how does that even work?
It's just laminated eyebrows.
Huh?
It's just laminated eyebrows.
Laminated?
Yes.
Laminated eyebrows. Laminated is feel something.
Yeah.
Feel in eyebrows. What are you talking about?
Poppy, maybe we should do it to your beard. Make them straight.
What?
Maybe we should laminate your beard and make them straight.
What do you mean? I mean, my beard is straight.
No, it's not. It's bushy.
I just trimmed it.
You want to do your brows?
No. No.
No?
No.
I mean, it would prevent them from going into your eye the whole time. Oh, that's so satisfying. Now you're supposed to use the nutrition, but I'm actually going to try to color my eyebrows today because I have some gray hairs on my eyebrows and they're looking a little bit light. So let's do that. So I just have this on here and I'm just going to mix this up. Here I got two little piles for each eyebrow. I'm just gonna start painting my brows in. We will see. Like so. What is it now, Poppy?
I'm gonna jump past you half naked.
How in the hell do you jump over the bed with a towel?
Easy, you hold the towel.
You got really long legs. What you do?
You hold your towel tight and jump. That's how you get over there.
No, wait 10 minutes. Hi. What's wrong?
Nothing. I was just like,
Huh? Does it look okay?
yeah,
You sure?
yeah, they're pointy.
What? They're pointy.
Yeah, at the end, no?
Using the nutrition. They're pointy at the end? What do you
They're not
mean?
pointy?
At what end?
At the end of your eyebrows.
Well, they're not bushy?
Not yet. Well, they are. No,
Not yet.
do
They're
you
not
have to
bushy
comb
yet?
them? Do you have to fluff them up or whatever?
Oh, my skin got really red.
Yeah, no, they're fluffy. Bushy. Fluffy.
Now they're fluffy and bushy.
Yeah.
You like them like this?
Sure. Yeah.
Sure.
I like them like that. I like them normal too.